Hey everybody, Joe Maher here with Maher Maher Law in Colorado. For today's field sobriety test tip, we're going to talk about Miranda warnings. I get this question all the time from folks about whether an officer should have read my rights to me or not. At the point where you're asked to do standardized field sobriety tests, it's very likely that the officer is not in a position where he or she would have to give you a Miranda warning. So Miranda has to do with statements that you make when you're in custody and when you're being questioned. The field sobriety tests are really a search of your body. So they in themselves aren't something that you would need to have a Miranda warning for. And quite frankly, many of the statements or all of the statements that you make during administration of the field sobriety tests will probably be used against you and likely would not have triggered the requirement for a Miranda warning. Now, that's not always the case, and this is something that needs to be looked at very closely by your attorney before any determinations are made. But generally speaking, there isn't going to be a requirement for a Miranda warning in Colorado before or during the standardized field sobriety tests. If you have any questions about that or other topics, or you have a case that you'd like us to look at, please give us a call at 719-301-7500. Have a good weekend.